Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming power and cable type because signal and input selection matter. Once done, press the monitor's OSD button or joystick to open the on-screen menu. Make sure you note which button cycles inputs. Then, on your computer, open display settings so you can match resolution and refresh rate. This prevents incorrect scaling. You should now see both the monitor's menu and the OS display panel, ready to change brightness, input, and resolution together. You will now tune the image. First, set the resolution and refresh rate to the monitor's native values in the OS, because sharpness and motion depend on them. Next, modify brightness and contrast in the OSD to balance black detail versus glare, then pick a color temperature or profile, cool, warm, or sRGB, so whites look neutral. Once you find a baseline, test with real content and use presets for quick changes. Switching back to custom preserves your manual tweaks. You finish by fine-tuning color and gamma with a test image or calibration tool, because accurate color ensures consistent results across apps. Then save your configuration as a profile in the OS or to the monitor's onboard memory, so settings persist. If something goes wrong, flicker, no signal, wrong color, check cables and input, update graphics drivers, and perform a factory reset only if needed. This resolves most conflicts without deeper hardware troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.